We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Cool Cat neon sign for wall decor, Smiling Cat with Glasses LED neon light sign, USB powered with dimmable switch by Flybaby. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Cool Cat neon sign stands out as a modern, eye-catching piece of wall decor that merges playful design with practical lighting. Measuring approximately 12.2 inches in length and 13.78 inches in width, and weighing just under 1.6 pounds, this sign is designed to be both visually impactful and easy to mount. Its shape, a smiling cat with glasses, appeals to fans of both cats and anime-inspired art, making it a versatile addition to bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, or dedicated cat-themed spaces. The sign is powered by LED technology, which means it does not use traditional neon gas or fragile glass tubes, resulting in a product that is lightweight, durable, and safe for a variety of settings. One of the most praised features is the vibrant pink glow that the LED neon emits. This color choice creates a warm, inviting ambiance that many users find perfect for creating a cozy or playful atmosphere. The sign is powered via USB, making it compatible with a wide range of power sources, from wall adapters to portable power banks and even computers. This convenience is further enhanced by the inclusion of a dimmable switch, allowing users to adjust the brightness to suit their mood or the time of day. Whether you want a subtle nightlight or a bold statement piece, the dimming feature provides flexibility that many traditional neon signs lack. In terms of installation, users consistently report that setting up the Cool Cat neon sign is straightforward. The sign comes with pre-drilled holes for wall mounting, and its lightweight construction means it can be hung securely with minimal effort. The absence of batteries or complicated wiring is a significant advantage, making this product accessible even for those with limited DIY experience. The USB power connector does not include a wall plug, so users will need to supply their own adapter if they wish to plug the sign directly into a wall outlet. This is a minor inconvenience for some, but most users find it manageable given the widespread availability of USB adapters. A recurring theme in user feedback is the sign's ability to transform a space. Many buyers purchase the sign as a gift for loved ones, especially for children, teenagers, or cat enthusiasts. The playful design and bright color often elicit strong positive reactions, with recipients describing the sign as the highlight of their room decor. The sign's ability to serve as both a decorative element and a functional light source adds to its appeal. It is equally at home in a child's bedroom, a teen's gaming setup, or an adult's home office, where it can serve as a conversation starter or simply brighten the mood. However, while the Cool Cat neon sign receives high marks for its design and initial performance, there are several areas where users have expressed concerns. One of the most frequently mentioned issues is the durability of the product. Several reviewers report that their sign stopped working after a few months of regular use, typically after being left on for several hours each day. In these cases, the sign either failed to light up or exhibited other operational issues. This raises questions about the long-term reliability of the internal components, particularly the LEDs and the USB power circuitry. Customer service experiences are mixed. Some users who encountered problems with their sign noted that the seller was responsive and sympathetic, offering assistance or replacement options. Others, however, reported difficulty reaching support or receiving a satisfactory resolution, especially when the product was purchased well in advance of being gifted and thus fell outside the standard return window. The inclusion of a support card in the packaging suggests that the manufacturer is aware of potential issues, but inconsistent follow-through can be frustrating for affected customers. Another commonly cited drawback relates to the design of the dimmable switch and power controls. The sign requires the on button to be pressed each time it is powered on or after being unplugged, which means it cannot be used with an automatic timer or smart plug for scheduled operation. Additionally, the brightness setting does not persist after the sign is unplugged. Users must readjust the brightness each time the sign is powered back on. Some reviewers suggest that a rotary knob or memory function would greatly improve usability, especially for those who want to integrate the sign into a smart home setup or use it as a nightlight on a timer. Despite these concerns, many users remain enthusiastic about the product, especially those who value aesthetics and ease of use over advanced functionality or long-term reliability. The sign's lightweight construction, absence of breakable glass, and safe LED technology make it a practical choice for households with children or pets. The Art Deco style, combined with the unique anime-inspired cat design, ensures that the sign stands out in any setting, drawing compliments and attention from visitors. The Cool Cat neon sign's technical specifications reinforce its positioning as a decorative accessory rather than a primary light source. Its moderate size and brightness make it suitable for accent lighting, mood lighting, or as a statement piece in themed rooms. The use of LED technology ensures energy efficiency and a cool-to-the-touch surface, reducing the risk of burns or heat damage even after prolonged use. The wall-mounting design allows for flexible placement, and the sign's relatively low weight means it can be installed on a variety of surfaces without the need for heavy-duty hardware. In terms of value, the Cool Cat neon sign is competitively priced within the category of novelty LED lighting and decorative neon signs. It ranks well in customer satisfaction, with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 25 ratings, and holds a respectable position in the best sellers list for lighted and neon signs. Most users feel that the sign delivers good value for the price, especially when used as a gift or a unique addition to personal spaces. The combination of playful design, ease of use, and adjustable lighting makes it a popular choice among those looking to add personality and charm to their decor. For potential buyers, it is important to consider both the strengths and limitations of the product. The Cool Cat neon sign excels in visual appeal, ease of installation, and flexibility of use thanks to its USB power and dimmable lighting. It is an excellent gift for cat lovers, anime fans, or anyone seeking to personalize their space with a fun and stylish accessory. However, buyers should be aware of the potential for durability issues and the limitations of the power and brightness controls. Those who require a sign that can be integrated into automated home systems or who need a product with a long service life may want to weigh these factors carefully. In summary, the Cool Cat neon sign for wall decor by Flybaby is a standout decorative piece that brings joy and character to any room. Its vibrant pink glow, unique cat design, and user-friendly features make it a favorite among a wide range of users. While there are some concerns regarding long-term reliability and the functionality of the power controls, the overall consensus is that the sign offers a delightful and memorable addition to home decor. If you are seeking a playful, eye-catching accent for your space or a unique gift for a cat enthusiast, this neon sign is well worth considering. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you have personal experience with this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.